The final step is to schedule our function to run on a regular basis. We'll do this using the Cloud Scheduler. Create a job and give it a name. And a description. In the next box, we'll specify the frequency of when the job should be run. If you aren't familiar with the Unix cron format, click the link to learn more. This entry means that the job will run at 0 minutes past 6 AM every day, every month, and every day of the week. Select the time zone that makes most sense for you, and then select PubSub as the target. Enter the same topic that you created for your cloud function. I hope you remembered what it was. And then enter anything in the payload. We ignore this in our function. Click Create, and you are done.